Right, so Range Rover Evoque, water leak found. It's got the original screen in, but as you can see, James is putting a foam around it and he's got some air, put some air the other side of it. And compressed air. And this side looks okay. Oh no, look, it's coming out there. Can you see that? Yeah.
Here.
Okay, and then we saw the air coming out there in the corner. So that tells us that the seal around the screen is not sealed. Okay, and then we've got some water in this one from this side. It's been leaking on this side. So it's the original factory bond, I'm afraid. And then we've got the carpet up and just shows you how much water's actually gone in there. Oh. Now the wires might alarm you, but I wouldn't worry about the wires. The foam's soaking wet. James is showing it there how wet that is, and so you've got probably a couple of gallons of water in there. It will go from front to back. The wire parts, we're not worried about the wires themselves in the water, they will dry. It's just obviously we'll check to see, make sure there isn't any plugs. And up here you've got some units, we'll check to make sure they didn't get wet. So yeah, we're going to have to get the seat out, get the carpet up and get a blower under there after we've sucked the water out of it. You tend to find sometimes you think it's just wet here, but if you park the car on the hill, of course, then the water finds its way to the lowest point. So you can't really feel a lot of water there, but when we get the carpet up, we'll find that there'll be water underneath.